Hey everybody, Prepper Nurse 1 here. Today is Saturday, December 14th, 2019. As you can see, it is raining. It started last night and it has been steadily raining. It was supposed to start earlier in the afternoon yesterday and it didn't. It didn't start till later at night. But it has been steadily raining ever since. So what are you going to do? These things happen. So I'm glad we got that part of the project at the greenhouse done yesterday. So we're going to go in here and, alright. One of the projects, normal projects that I have to do, I'm going to kick this out and I'm going to kick this down so you guys can see. Alright. Perfect. Okay. So one of the normal things that I have to do with my batteries, okay, I have to check them on a regular basis. So we got to do, maintenance basically. So what you're checking, first of all, what you're going to do is you're going to turn on your meter, okay, and so you got your positive and your negative. Now I've already checked these, but I'm just going to go ahead and do it again. I don't know if you guys can see that on the reading. It's 6.14, okay, which is perfect. So each battery, they're 6-volt batteries, okay. So then let's see what we got here. So we got positive to negative again, and wait a minute. And that one's at 6.13. All right. So then we got positive to negative on this one. And that's 6.12. And let's see, then we got positive to negative over here. 6.15. All right. So then we got, these ones are flipped around. 6.15. 6.13. There's the positive and negative. And that's 6.15. 6.14. Alright, now we'll flip these around again. So now we got the negative is over here, and the positive is over here. Uh, 613. 612. 613. And 613, okay? So all the batteries are right where they need to be voltage-wise, okay? So now what we're going to check is I'm going to pull off these little tabs and I'm going to check the water levels. Now, these batteries, alright, so I got goop on me now, of course. If you guys remember what we had done, we'd had an issue with this one battery back here. So I cleaned it up really, really well. And I put axle grease on all the terminals. And that has made a huge, huge difference ever since then. Alright. So now what we're going to do really quickly, some of these are lower. So that's one of the things I wanted to show you. But what I'm going to do now, you're testing your battery, right? So you squeeze. And okay, so it's all the way up here. It's showing that that battery is good. Alright, So we'll squeeze that stuff back into there. Alright. And I know the rest of them are good. I just wanted to show you how we did that. But that's how you're testing the specific gravity of all of your batteries. So if your needle's up there in the blue range are great. So you don't want to be down in the red. Alright. So now what we're going to do is I have my little funnel here. Actually, I'm going to use the other one. Alright. So, what you use for in here, I have distilled water, okay? So I'll show you that in a second. So you have to use distilled water for the batteries. Alright, so what I'm going to do... Alright, that's better. This is just a regular maintenance that you're going to do with your batteries to keep everything a little more on that one. Alright. So I'm going to seal those ones back up. And then we'll move on to the next ones. But I figured today, because it's raining, is a real good day to do this. And this has been overdue. I haven't been as attentive on this as I should have been. I'm going to tell you right now, I have let's see. Look at where that's at. So I'm obviously not going to show you me doing all 12 of these batteries, but I'll do another one here and we'll see if 1 gallon is enough to do 3. I have 4 gallons of the distilled water right now, so I don't know if I have enough. Actually, alright, I'm looking at that. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, so I have already done 3 of the batteries here, so in that case the 4 gallons will be more than enough. Because if I average, obviously I have 12 batteries and 3 per battery, and I still have a little bit left of this first gallon. Wow. Yeah, well, I should have been on this more, guys. I'll be honest with you. My own fault. I mean, they're not horrible. Let's put it like they're not horrible, but they're definitely a lot lower than they should be. So, but anyway, so there's what we're doing as far as just a routine maintenance. What I should be doing, honestly, I should be coming out at least once a month and checking these levels. I should never let it get down. Yeah, I should never let it get down to that point. So, but yeah, there's always something that you can do on a homestead. It never stops. It absolutely never stops. So, you know, but that's basically how I maintain my batteries. So I'm going to go ahead and shut this camera off, and I'm going to do the other 8 batteries and get them filled up. But it's just it's a very nice routine type of thing that actually I should put it on a regular calendar thing where I check it at least once a month. You know, I mean, like I said, the levels aren't horribly down, but they're down enough that I shouldn't have them down that low. But you know, so that's that. But that's what I'm working on, and it's a perfect day to do that because obviously it's not a day you're going to be doing anything outside. So let me go back out over here. You know, obviously today is not going to be an outdoor chore day. So, you know, just like I said, certain little things got to be taken care of, and that's what it is, and that's what I'm going to work on. So, anyway, so that is it, guys. I will be live streaming tomorrow night at 8 p.m. I will be announcing the winners of the 2 rings tomorrow, and those 2 rings are just for people outside of the continental 48. Okay, so if you're in the continental United States, you cannot be in the contest. It's just for anybody that is not in the continental United States. So to be able to be into the contest, you have to go back to that video where it says another giveaway, and you go in, you tell me what country you're from. You have to make a comment, obviously like the video, and you know, and you have to be a subscriber. Okay, so that's how you get into the contest. It's really easy, and so we will be picking that winner tomorrow night to see who won from our followers outside the U.S. Okay, and again, that was given. Those rings were given by a lady in Texas named Maria. She felt bad that they outside the U.S. people could not be in the 60 meal bucket giveaway, and she wanted to do something about that, and that's why we were able to do this. Okay, so just so you guys know, so it's very kind of her, and so I will be doing that. There's a good pups. What are you doing? I got them out for right at the moment. They're going to be coming in shortly, but I figure I'd let them get out and do their business. What? What? You're so funny. So I kept the birds locked up today. They don't like the rain anyway, so they're not coming out. So anyway, guys, remember, we are all in this together. That is important to remember. Also remember to hug and kiss the ones you love. Tell them every single day. Tomorrow is not guaranteed. We never know what's going to happen in life, so that's important as well. Also remember, guys, STD. It's one step at a time, one thing at a time, and one day at a time. Whatever you're trying to do, whatever you are trying to accomplish, you can do it. The only one that's going to stop you from getting there is you. That's it. Nobody else can stop you. All right? I hope everybody's having a great day. I will talk to you all tomorrow. Prepper Nurse 1 out.